Alright, now today we'll be talking about patterns, equations, and graphs. And this is Algebra 1A. Okay, patterns, equations, and graphs. So basically, it's just talking about inductive patterns. Okay, and inductive patterns is just noticing a pattern to predict future events, I guess is what I'll say. That is. Okay, so if you notice in the pattern of numbers, you got 2, 5, 8, 11, and then you have to predict what the next number is. You would notice, oh, it's increasing by 3, so the pattern is plus 3, so you can predict that this continuation is always going to happen. Okay, so real fast, you guys. This one is talking a little bit more about solving solutions rather than just plugging in an x. It's actually asking you points. So what you would do is you would take your x, comma, and your y and plug into equation or equations to find true equations. Okay? Alright, so is 3, 5 a solution to y equals x plus 2. Okay, and so what you're going to do is you're going to plug in the x and the y. So obviously you're going to plug in the y, the 5 right here, and you're going to plug in the x right here, and you're going to see if you get a true equation. And for those of you guys at home, if the suspense is killing you, yes, it is a true equation. So is this a solution? Now what does it also mean? Okay, now what it also means, hold on, let me bring it up. There we go. Okay, so what it also means, okay, so y equals x plus 2, and I'm also going to graph the point, and I'm going to bring it down a little bit because you got to see it. I'm going to graph the point 3, 5. Okay, now when you find a solution, that is also a point on the line or on the graph of the equation. So that's what it's talking about when it's talking about the graphs of the equations and solutions. And as you can also see, a solution for this would be 2, 4. And this is why it's open-ended, because there's many answers. 1, what was that, 3? And also 0, 2. Oh, looks like I'm typing it in correctly. And as you can see, since all those points appear on this line, those are all solutions for this open-ended equation. So it's really kind of cool to see how both graphically and numerically you can actually see this information come together. Alright, that's it for patterns, equations, and graphs. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Guys, have a wonderful day.